Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul Team.
This is Alexia.
And welcome to our latest listing. We are in Cambrian at 1579 Sabina Way in San Jose. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1158 square feet of living space, and it's been completely remodeled inside and out. Now this also has one of the best schools in the area.
Yes, it goes to Litz Elementary, Dartmouth Middle, and Branham High School.
So come on in and take a look inside.
Hi, we are at the living room. This open concept living area. You can overlook the kitchen and the backyard.
And here we have a completely remodeled living room with new vinyl laminate floor. It's waterproof, recessed lighting, premium baseboard, and new interior painting.
Welcome this inviting kitchen. It's newly updated with premium stainless steel appliances. While in the kitchen, you can overlook the backyard and the driveway.
And this modern kitchen comes with a quartz countertop where you can have breakfast nook, and also a private pantry where you have plenty of room for storage. We're standing in this cozy master bedroom with plenty of natural lights and a very modern, spacious closet.
It has fully updated bathroom, full shower, and a floating vanity.
The rain is gone, the sun has just come out. You can enjoy yourself in this newly landscaped backyard with new drip system.
A new fence and a new concrete patio. You can invite all your relatives and friends enjoy this wonderful backyard.
So the property gets Dartmouth Middle School, which is a California Distinguished School and one of the nicer schools in the area. The property gets Branham High School. This is one of the better schools in the Cambrian area, and it's also a California Distinguished School. So we're here at Lone Hill Park. This is a 10-acre park located near to the property. In addition, it also has lighted tennis courts as well as a playground.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.